Gentlemen, what's up? Good day to you. We're going to talk about financial foresight. Yep, foresight. And we're going to talk about getting our minds straight first. There's a quote from Albert Schweitzer that says, "Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success." Let's go. In today's rapidly changing economic landscape, the concept of financial foresight is important and has more significant relevance today than ever before. We're going to discuss briefly in this video the approach, which is strategic. In a nutshell, we're going to look beyond the accumulation of wealth, and we're going to focus our emphasis on developing a sustainable financial mindset. Hit the like button, brothers, and subscribe. Become a part of the Rich Boy family. It's fun over here. Financial foresight refers to the ability to anticipate future financial needs, challenges, and opportunities. You don't need a master's degree and 2 PhDs in finance to develop the ability and skills to make informed decisions that enhance long-term financial security. You just need to change your mind and the way you think about money. I'm learning and growing too, and that's why I'm sharing this information with you. One of the primary tenets of financial foresight is proactive planning. Stop reacting to financial challenges as they arise. Our emotions can get us in a lot of trouble when it comes to money. Men who practice financial foresight anticipate potential issues and develop strategies to mitigate their impacts. That's called forward thinking. That type of mindset promotes resilience, and it prepares you to face unexpected expenses or economic downturns without severe distress or you stroking out. By integrating various elements of personal finance, from budgeting to investing, you cultivate a stable economic foundation that supports your aspirations while adapting and adjusting to future challenges. Foresight is built on several key principles that serve as the backbone for effective money management. Number 1, budgeting plays a vital role. It involves creating a detailed plan that outlines income and expenditures. A budget will help you identify where your money is going. I can guarantee from experience, you will discover you are spending more than what you are bringing in. When you track your expenses and adjust your spending accordingly, you can manage your finances more effectively and work toward achieving your goals, whatever they may be. Secondly, saving is an indispensable aspect of financial planning. Setting aside a portion of income for future needs develops a mindset of foresight. Whether it's for emergencies, retirement, or specific ambitions, having savings can provide a financial cushion that ensures stability and peace of mind. However, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Investing is another critical element that supports financial foresight. By investing in various assets, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, people can grow their wealth over time. And of course, risk management is an often overlooked principle. Understanding and mitigating financial risks through insurance or diversification will help you navigate uncertainties. Listen, fellas, a solid foundation of budgeting, saving, investing, and risk management is critical for mastering financial foresight. When you take these basic core concepts and apply them, you'll be better equipped to meet your financial future with clarity. Check out my website at the RICHBOY 903, where I've posted a more in-depth article. We'll talk more about financial foresight in the next video. Until then, gentlemen, let's get it. Shalom. Shalom.